If you want to see how to mount your SmartThings iPad enclosure and provide power over Ethernet to the device, then stick around. In this video, we're going to show you how to install a SmartThings tablet enclosure for your iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's start by listing out the parts you'll need. Once you've decided on a tablet and chosen the right mount, there's also some tools you'll need to get the job done. We used our GAT USB-C PD to provide power and data to the iPad, and the GAT IW mount to hold the adapter in the wall. Oh, and you definitely don't want to forget your iPad. Some more things you'll need are drywall anchors or screws. About 1/4 inch will do. For this install, you'll need a bubble level. You can also use an app on your phone for this, a pencil for marking, a drywall saw or oscillating tool, the option to use a drill with bits, or a screwdriver. This demo was made assuming the home run cable is already in place. Let's get started. My first step was to measure out where I want the GAT in-wall mount to go. This measuring card is included with the GAT IW so that you'll know the exact size to make the hole. Admittedly, this oscillating tool was pretty hard for me to use, so I asked Tyler to step in and help. I want to emphasize how important it is to wear your safety goggles and really good earplugs because this tool got very loud and emitted sawdust. We installed these mounts on 3/4 inch MDF instead of sheetrock, so it was a bit harder to get through. Now you're ready to mount the bracket. It should fit perfectly within the space you cut out. As I'm demonstrating, you'll want to make sure to tighten the screws on the in-wall mount to secure it in place. Slide in the GAT USB-C PD and your adapter is mounted. Once the adapter is in place, you can move forward with securing the tablet mount. It's always good to check that your placement is level before making any permanent holes. And I'm just checking one more time that the mount is still level after all screws are in place. Before I put the iPad in, I have to reconnect one of the holding tabs on the enclosure. I'm ready for the iPad. I want to make sure I connect it to the USB-C cable first, then slide it into the opening of the mount. Then just pop on the other end of the enclosure until you hear it click in place. And we're done! We successfully mounted a SmartThings iPad mount and provided power with wired data via PoE. Don't forget to check out the Month of Mounts playlist for more install videos.